Nestled between Lake Constance and the Sea Rücken, the Kreuzlingen region is ideal for cultural discoveries and enjoyable experiences of all kinds. To unwind from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, you can take a stroll through Seaborg Park in Kreuzlingen that allows you to recharge your batteries. So if you're around the border between Germany and Switzerland and are not sure if Kreuzlingen should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Kreuzlingen. In Kreuzlingen, there is a perfect blend of nature, culture, and cross-border experiences. Although Kreuzlingen isn't a major city, it's definitely worth a visit. The town boasts an astonishing variety of attractions. From historic monasteries to modern cultural centers and beautiful parks, there's something for every taste. The former Augustinian monastery of Kreuzlingen forms the historic heart of the town. Founded in 1125, this impressive complex had a lasting impact on the development of the entire region. The imposing church, with its Baroque splendor, is a true architectural gem and houses valuable art treasures from various eras. During your visit, be sure to admire the Rococo-style interior of the building and the magnificent ceiling paintings. Visitors are surprised with expansive parks right on the shores of Lake Constance, where you can take relaxing strolls or simply unwind. A large playground and a miniature golf course with a restaurant dominate the northwestern park entrance near the shipping harbor. Kreuzlingen offers boat trip to Lake Constance. This activity is one of the most beautiful experiences you can have in Kreuzlingen. The various boats and ships connect all the important towns around the lake and offer various routes and themed cruises. Seaborg Park is Kreuzlingen's green lung and a true paradise for nature lovers. It stretches picturesquely along the shores of Lake Constance and offers countless opportunities for relaxation and leisure activities. The many trees provide shade, while manicured meadows invite you to linger. The waterfront promenade invites you to take long walks, offering ever-changing perspectives on the landscape. Here you can simply enjoy the calming effect of the water, sit on one of the benches while watching the passenger ships and sailboats sailing on the Lake Constance. The centerpiece is the imposing Seaborg Castle, which today serves as a restaurant and event venue. From the terrace, you can enjoy spectacular views across Lake Constance to the Alps. The Seaborg Castle was built in 1598. Swedish troops set it on fire in 1633 during the 30 Years' War. In 1870, the castle was rebuilt to its present appearance. Since 1958, the castle has been owned by the city of Kreuzlingen and has undergone extensive renovation. The lake level lowered in the 1960s. Until then, the Seaborg stood directly on the shore of Lake Constance. The castle in the magnificent sea park houses a restaurant and rooms for events, meetings, parties, and seminars today. If you're looking forward to a perfect blend of nature, culture, and cross-border experiences, Kreuzlingen in Switzerland is the right destination for you. Kreuzlingen is literally just a stone's throw from its neighboring city of Constance. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Kreuzlingen even more. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!